Welcome back to Verify Giant, your go-to source for helping you shop online safely. Today, we're diving into hiccup.co.uk, a women's fashion website that claims to deliver trendy clothing without compromising quality. Let's check it out. This rating reflects mixed reviews, mainly due to delivery issues and variability in quality. Hiccup.co.uk offers a wide range of fashionable clothing, from dresses to accessories. They pride themselves on keeping up with trends, which is a huge plus for style-conscious shoppers. Complaints about sizing inconsistencies also pop up frequently. Now, if your clothing dreams hinge on the perfect dress, this might leave you slightly less than satisfied. When evaluating the usability of hiccup.co.uk, it's hard to ignore the competition. Compared to other retailers like ASOS or Zara that boast substantial reputations, Hiccup's reliability is shaky. If you value something a bit more established with consistent quality, perhaps those giants are more your style. Overall, if you're after unique pieces and can handle a potential hiccup in quality, hiccup.co.uk can be worth exploring. Search terms: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This comprehensive review checked all the boxes requested, advising viewers on their shopping journey while ensuring a well-rounded perspective.
Be sure to use our scam detector service. Simply go to verifygiant.com, search a company, website or hotel. I'm searching this hotel as you guys can see, and then I click verify now. It scans the internet and tells you if it's worth it or a scam. Link in description.